Okay guys, this is the place that I talked to you guys about. And this thing is a massive, as you can see. I wonder if it even has a top floor. And there's a pillar. This place looks so good. Whoa, it even tells us, even for blind, this restaurant is super fancy. So as you can see, I'm going to be picking this one, which has, or will I? Maybe I'll pick something else, but this one is my main target. It's squeeze balls. Look at this, collect all 6 colors. Why would I collect all 6 colors? Oh well, let's see what else these has. 25? That's not much, but they're just less cool. Oh, would you look at that? It gave us, you were supposed to give me a squeeze. Okay, maybe I didn't get lucky. That's one thing for sure. But let's just see what it is. This is like a card. As you can see, I didn't get squeeze balls, but at least I got something other than nothing. As you can see, these are tattoos. So I'm gonna show you how it works later, because our main thing to do is to eat some delicious foods at this Asian buffet. So let's actually open the door. Okay, as you can see, we're onto this section, and whoa, look at these foods. We gotta try them. I'm confident. This is crab! No. Now let's get some pasta. Also, not to mention, I got some of these shells, which we're supposed to eat this. Okay, other than that, let's take some pasta. Not really huge amounts, just the average. Okay, almost like macaroni. Okay, now this is just the weird type of rice. This is the real rice. Okay, I'm gonna get a fortune teller. I'm not sure exactly why it's called it because I'm not Asian, but other than that, wait, I think I am. Just kidding, I am Asian. I was born in Asia, at least. Okay, this is a fortune teller, so we might get one of these. Okay, now I want some Diet Pepsi, so let's get a straw with it, and let's get it. The fact that you only need to press it a little. Look, I barely even pressing it, and it literally comes out instantly. I mean, okay, it's really bubbling. Diet Coke, let's put it on our table. Also, not to mention, it really isn't that expensive. It's just expensive. But as you can see, with our food, let's try some. Delicious. Okay, other than that, that's actually our real foods. So here we have some French fries. I'm gonna try those first. Let's taste them. They're not that good. For some reason, they didn't add beef flavoring, but I mean, it's still averagely good because at least they added salt. Because one time I tasted the French fries without salt or beef flavoring, disgusting. Trust me. But this is it only has salt, but only salt is still good. It's amazing. Okay, now let's try something else. It's okay. Okay, we have some shrimps. Oh, that's good. I was looking forward to try them. Sorry, my voice is a little crooked, huh? Okay. Okay, now let's try some shrimp. I was looking forward to try some of these, so let's try it. How's this? It's delicious. Let's try some more of these. So delicious. I wasn't expecting the shrimp to be so good. Okay. Now let's try something else. What should we try next? Let's take a sip.